Next note point, x plus a whole power n plus x minus a whole power n. Let us see the expansion of x plus a whole power n plus x minus a whole power n. If you expand and cancel the possible terms, then you'll get 2 times nc naught x power n a power 0 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a power 2 plus nc4 x power n minus 4 a power 4. In that manner, we will get the terms for this expansion. Let us see the expansion of x plus a whole power n minus x minus a whole power n. It will be 2 times nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 1 plus nc3 x power n minus 3 a power 3 plus and so on. In this manner, we will get the expansion of x plus a whole power n minus x minus a whole power n. I think it is very clear for you. If n is odd, then x plus a whole power n plus x minus a whole power n and x plus a whole power n minus x minus a whole power n. Whenever n is odd, these both expansions have same number of terms. Both have the same number of terms equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Whenever n is odd, number of terms will be n plus 1. N plus 1 divided by 2 will be the number of terms in this expansion and as well as in this expansion whenever n is odd. Whereas if n is even, then x plus a whole power n plus x minus a whole power n has n by 2 plus 1 terms, and the expansion x plus a whole power n minus x minus a whole power n has n by 2 terms. You can check that by expanding, by taking one example, then you will get the concept. I think it is very clear for you. Next note point, general term in binomial expansion. General term in binomial expansion, x plus a whole power n, n is natural number. Before discussing about the formula for general term in binomial expansion, for x plus a whole power n, let us expand x plus a whole power n whenever n is natural number. It is nc naught x power n a power 0 plus nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a power 2 plus and so on. Here you can see first term nc naught x power n, second term nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 1. In that manner, what will be the r plus 1th term? R plus 1th term is given by NCR x power n minus r into a power r. I think it is very clear for you. Thus, if tr plus 1 denotes the r plus 1th term in the binomial expansion, then we can write tr plus 1 means r plus 1th term is NCR into x power n minus r into a power r. That will be the r plus 1th term. This is called the general term in the binomial expansion. This is called the general term. In the binomial expansion, x plus a whole power n whenever n is natural number. Because by giving different values for r, we will get all the terms in the expansion x plus a whole power n. R runs from 0 to n. That's why we can take r plus 1, which is tr plus 1, ncr x power n minus r a power r as general term in the binomial expansion. Then what will be the general term for the binomial expansion? X minus a whole power n. General term will be negative 1 whole power r into ncr x power n minus r into a power r. Then what will be the binomial expansion? 1 plus x whole power n and its general term. We know binomial expansion for 1 plus x whole power n. Let us write the general term for this. It will be NCR into x power r. What will be the general term for 1 minus x whole power n expansion? It is tr plus 1 means r plus 1th term will be negative 1 whole power r NCR x power r. I think it is very clear for you. And one more note point. You can see here tr plus 1 means r plus 1th term from the beginning. Then what is the rth term from the ending for the binomial expansion? X plus a whole power n. In that rth term from the ending. Rth term from the ending is total number of terms n plus 1 minus r plus 1 we have to do. That means n minus r plus 2 term from the beginning. I think it is very clear for you. Next note point. Middle term in a binomial expansion. For positive integral index. If n is even, if n is an even natural number, then in binomial expansion, Then in the binomial expansion of x plus a whole power n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1th term, n by 2 plus 1th term is the middle term. Why? Because whenever n is even, for example, let us consider n is 10, then number of terms will be 11. Then what will be the middle term? Among these 11 terms, you can observe sixth term will be the middle term. So n by 2 plus 1, the term will be the middle term. So that's why we have written here n by 2 plus 1 term is the middle term. Whenever n is even in the expansion x plus a whole power n, I think it is very clear for you. Okay. Next, if n is odd natural number, if n is an odd natural number, then n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 3 by 2 terms are the middle terms. In the binomial expansion x plus a whole power n. For example, let us consider n is 9, then number of terms will be 10. Clearly, 5 comma 6 terms are the middle terms. You can observe that. How we will get 5? 9 plus 1 by 2 and 9 plus 3 by 2. From that we will get 6. So that's why I have written here whenever n is odd, n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 3 by 2 terms are the middle terms whenever n is odd. Whenever n is odd, we will get even number of terms. I think it is very clear for you.